In today's video, we'll discuss the Sony laptop battery light blinking and how to fix it. Your Sony laptop battery light is blinking because of a battery error. Here's what you must do to fix the issue. Power off your laptop and disconnect it from the power outlet. Unplug all devices connected to the laptop and access the battery compartment at the back of your laptop. Open the lid and remove the laptop's battery. With the battery removed, press the power button for approximately a minute. Put the battery back in its place and close the lid. Plug the laptop into a power supply and turn it on. Check whether the battery light blinking has stopped. Another reason your battery light blinks is a faulty charger or power outlet. If this is the cause of the blinking, try doing this to resolve it. Disconnect your laptop from the power supply and unplug the surge protector. Connect the laptop directly to the socket. If the blinking continues, try plugging the laptop into a different power outlet. If the issue persists, your charger might be faulty and you should replace it. And that's it. Thanks for watching till next time.